that it's time to do a hairstyle when your hair looks like this. It's time to do a hairstyle. Hey you guys, I'm gonna be giving you guys some spring hairstyle ideas using a headband. I'm just gonna use white. But first things first, I think I'm gonna turn you guys towards the mirror, but first I'm gonna check if my mirror is too dirty and you guys can literally not see me because my mirror is like very dirty. This is my mirror. I literally cleaned up my room because it was a humongous mess, thinking that you guys would be able to see the back, but you guys can't even see the back. So I don't even clean my room for no reason. I'm going to show you guys what necessities you guys will need for these hairstyles. You guys are going to need something pointy. If you don't have anything like this, just use a pencil or the pointiest object you have. An edge brush if you do your edges. A hard bristled brush. This brush slicks my hair back. This is a detangling brush that I use. So I just usually use this to detangle my hair before using that if my hair has too many knots between it, to make it more smooth. So yeah, that's what you will need for now. And then obviously gel and a spray bottle or just water if you just get your water from the sink. I personally think it's better with a spray water because it's easier. So first things first, we're going to be doing 2 buns, and this is so cute. I love this hairstyle. I love this hairstyle for the headband. And then I forgot to mention, you do need rubber bands, but like, you know, you need like probably max 2. You don't need that many. So first things first, you're going to put your hair down the middle. I have a really bad habit of never getting my lines straight and not giving up, just leaving my hair like that. I'm not gonna lie, it's really bad. Personally, I usually don't ever care about my line in the back. So if you're just like me, who just goes like this, just kind of gets all her hair like this, you want to be very gentle because you are kind of low-key be ripping your hair apart. Just go like that. And I don't like to rip my hair about, so I don't really care if my line is straight or not. So what I like about this hairstyle is your hair doesn't have to be like slick all the way down for this one. So you can kind of just sort of just like kind of brush your hair back. So what you're kind of going to do is you're kind of going to do like a messy bun type of style. So you're just going to kind of like go like that, messy bun. Just gonna leave it like that for now, and then if I don't like the buns, I'll change them, but for now I'm gonna leave them like that. So yeah, you're just kind of gonna go like that. So I just kind of was testing out to see what type of bun I want to do, and I decided I'm gonna do this type of bun. So how you do get this bun is you kind of go like this, and you kind of like pretend you're gonna twist it and like go like that. You kind of just do like a messy bun, honestly, like just a messy bun down here, and boom, you have 2 messy buns. Now my hair, when I do this, my hair never looks even. Like, I don't know what it is, but my hair never looks even when I do it like this. But what's so great about this hairstyle is that it doesn't need to be even. But I am going to make them the same size at least a little bit, because that drives me insane. And after that, you're just going to put your headband on. And then you're just going to put the headband on, and look at how cute that is. Like literally, this headband elevated the hairstyle so much. And then you're just going to take out 2 pieces in the front. And I kind of want this side to be a little tighter, so I'm just going to redo this one real quick. Okay, boom. I made them a little more even because this one was like low-key loose, and then this one was like not. And look at that. Literally adorable, so cute for spring. Like, hello, it's so cute. And like, I don't even have to do my edges because the messy like undone edges is low-key like the look. Oh, this hairstyle is just so cute. I love it. It's like a cute basic if you just need to get your hair done. Like, if you just, it's so cute, guys. You guys can't convince me it's not cute. Like, it's literally so cute. Like, look at it. And this is what it looks like in the back. It's literally so cute. Okay, on to the next hairstyle. Disclaimer, not all of these are like slick back. Okay, next one is pretty simple. So the next hairstyle is basically a bun, a messy bun. But we gotta perfect the messy hair bun. So I'm just gonna step back here to show you guys how I do my messy buns. So personally, when I do my messy buns, I actually add a hair tie, like just one hair tie. Because if not, I get like a lot of frizziness and lumps like down here, and my hair just looks really bloated and like big, and I just don't like that. And I don't know how people could like see, like right now I'm still getting it because I didn't do it tight enough, and I don't like that. And then I'm just kind of gonna go like how I normally would for like a messy bun, like that. I don't know how people can do messy buns and not get like this part of your head to be like hella like inflated. Like, I don't know how people don't do that. It doesn't make sense. I feel like I don't do it. I just kind of go like that and just do one hair tie, and see, my hair looks super cute, and this isn't like popping out. Like, this is always like, it just looks super loose. So that's how I get my hair not to look loose, because I don't know if that just happens to me or because that happens to me a lot, but that's how I do my messy buns. Okay, and then you're just gonna put this on. You're just gonna pop your hair up, make sure it's not under the thing, and then boom, like, hello. Does my bun look lopsided? I can't tell. And then you're just gonna fix your edges up. I am gonna fix my edges up a little bit more, just because they're a lot more visible. I feel like they need to be a little more cleaned up. So I'm just going to go over them a little bit, which is going to make them a little more fluffy, which I don't mind. Because I do want them to be a little more visible now, since this is a little more back. I'm just gonna I like the scrunch look. I don't know if you guys like the scrunch look on your guys' headband, but I like the scrunch look. So I just kind of grab it like that, just pinch it up, and just let it fall on each other. Because sometimes it can look too long depending on what hairstyle you're doing. So if it looks too long, I just do that. And boom! This is the next hairstyle, which is just like the messy hair bun look. And this is the next hairstyle, which is just the messy bun. This is such a classic. Hello, this is so cute. These are so cute for spring. Oh my god, this is just so cute. And if the bun is a little too big for you, what I do is I just put another rubber band and it makes it smaller. Just overlay it. After every single hairstyle, when I take it down, I'm gonna look crazy. So now you're gonna get a line down the middle again. So now you're just gonna section off the top part of your head. So we're doing a half up, half down. So usually when I do my half ups, half down, I leave hair down here. But if you guys like grabbing all that hair, you guys can go ahead and grab all that hair. And when I also do my half up, half downs, I section off my hair, because I just don't like having little hairs catch on to my section. And of course my sections aren't straight. I don't care. When I do my hair, I never section my hair off. Okay, so now we're gonna attempt to keep that middle part like that. I'll use my hard bristle brush right now to smooth it out, but for now we just need a foundation. So I actually don't even know why I made you guys do the middle part. Literally does not matter. You're just gonna brush your hair back now. Make it as even as possible. Before you guys brush your hair like I just did, you're gonna pull out one hair in the front, right here. Doesn't matter left or right. After you do that, you're just gonna kind of brush your hair a little more back. And obviously you look insane until you put the headband on. So you're just going to put the headband on after it looks a little something like this. And you're going to fix your edges up a little bit because they got really messy in the process. And I really hope you guys didn't start brushing it before you guys got your piece, because low-key I forgot to grab the hair before brushing. So yeah, I'm just going to leave the hair like that because I don't mind it. It's going to look a little something like that. So half up, half down. If you're just going to go out or anything, these are just such cute hairstyles for spring. These are just such cute hairstyles for spring. I know I keep saying it, but look at them. So this is the back. Another way that you could style this hairstyle is by making this top section bun. I'm literally telling y'all, I keep looking crazier and crazier every time I take out my hair from doing these hairstyles. But the next hairstyle is going to be kind of a half down, half up, but it's showcasing a little more of your face. You're going to do a U like that. Left or right, whatever your side is. And then you're going to part these hairs in the front. Part them like that. And then we're going to do the half up, half down. So you're just going to grab this hair here. Just half up. Just going to grab some of your hair on the top. And just tie your hair in the back. Okay, so after you do the half up, half down like that, now you're going to go back to these two sections that you parted in the front. Two ways that you could do this. You could either grab this hair and tie it back here, right here, and this hair back here, right here, right like this. I recommend it like that just because it causes less breakage, and it is a little more time consuming, but it doesn't cause as much breakage. But since this is going to be a quick hairstyle, I am going to do them together, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So basically, I grab all this hair and I clip it to the top, or put a hair tie on the top, or whatever you do. You're just going to slick this hair back a little bit more. So then you're going to grab both of your hair like this, and you're just going to tie it in the back. Try to not tie it onto your baby hairs in the back. So try to tie it as far as you can, because that will hurt when you tighten it. You will rip your hair out. You're just going to go like that. Make sure that no hair is connected here. And you're just going to go like that. And boom. And after you have your hair like this, okay, I just basically brushed through all my edges, so I look a little crazy right now. You're going to grab this, and you're going to put it right in between the middle of the line right here on your head, because you want it to be seen that you have a side part. Now you're just going to slick your headband back for a while you smooth out your hair in the front right here. I am going to slick it back because it doesn't look that good if it's not slicked back. Okay, so after you do your edges however you like, it looks a lot more cuter. So yeah, this is just the style. Again, if you want, you can always do a bun in the back like this, but this style is meant to show more that you have like a middle part in the front, and I think the style is just so cute. Okay, for the next hairstyle, all I'm going to do is take down this half up, half down, and I'm just going to split it down the middle, and I'm going to keep this front area. And so basically this next hairstyle is two pigtails, two bottom low pigtails, and I'm just going to show you guys how cute it is. Now if you were doing this the right way, you would honestly just grab this hair and put it back here with this hair and just like tie it back here with this hair. But since my hair's already slicked back like that and I'm like feeling a little lazy and I don't even want to take it down, it would look the same. Boom. Now that you have two pigtails, you're going to grab your headband and put it on like normally. And you're just going to put the headband on. And oh my god, this hairstyle is so cute for spring. Like, this is one of like my favorites. It's so freaking cute and looks good with anything. And I don't know, like you can't go wrong with this hairstyle. I don't know. So yeah, this is what they look like, the pigtails. Obviously the back is going to look a little funky because I still have those two tied in the back. Honestly, I could just hide it with this. Like if you do want to do it that way, you can also just hide it like that. It doesn't matter. But yeah, these are the pigtails. I think they're so freaking cute. But that is for my spring hairstyles that include a headband. I think these are pretty simple and they're like so cute, and there's so many hairstyles that you could do with headbands. I'm probably gonna make a part 2 to this, so watch out for that because I have a lot of hairstyles that you could do with headbands. Or I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of hairstyle videos for summer, spring, literally all seasons, but since currently right now spring is basically about to start, I'm gonna do spring and then I'm gonna do summer. My summer hairstyles are so cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little cute tutorial, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your guys' day.